Hello, I am at Disney and I'm gonna do a toy haul. I'm actually at the Swan Hotel. You can see the boardwalk behind me, kind of, and then the front of the hotel. So yesterday we went to Magic Kingdom and I picked up 6 of these Wishable bags and they were just released yesterday. These are Small World themed. If you're not familiar with Wishables, it's a small plush series by Disney and they come out like once a month, or there's no set time, they just come out a lot, and like they'll just do like Toy Story themed and Alice in Wonderland themed, just all kinds of different themes. And right now the newest one is Small World, which for Small World I personally love the hippo and the clock. So, and they're $9.99 a pack. They're cute. So a lot of people say that like you can kind of feel around to kind of guess what it is, but all these are very similar. So this is a series that you could probably tell the penguin because of the neck, but I don't know, all the others, they all kind of feel the same to me. So this is going to be a true mystery. I really don't know what I got. I didn't spend too much time filling around the packages because, you know, the whole germ thing. So the two, I think I already said this, but I want the penguin, not the penguin, I want the hippo and the clock. I don't care about the other two. So let's get these opened. And the first, ooh, yay. I got the clock right off the bat. Yay, look. And it's double-sided. So you got your happy face and your squinty face, which is pretty much my face the whole time. So they're just little plushes. There's no beans or anything in them, just a cute little plush. All right, let's see. That's number 1. See how many duplicates I get now. I'm gonna get some duplicates because there's only 4, and there are variants, and I've heard the variant is the hippo could be green instead of purple, and that would mean you got a super rare one. All right. Ooh, look at that. So I got the hippo, which is the other one I wanted. So yay! They are very cute. I like the Wishables that are based on like park attractions, not necessarily the movie ones. Like Robert got me like the well from the, what is the Storybook in California, Storybook Canals, got me that well, and so stuff like that. Because there's a whole Alice in Wonderland series, but I do collect Alice, but I don't know, I wasn't really impressed. So we did not pick any of those up. That's right now at the stores. There was Alice in Wonderland, Coco, and Toy Story, right? Did you see any others?
Transportation. No, I didn't see transportation.
Oh, the yeah, I did see transportation. I didn't really, but yeah, they have a new transportation where it was a trolley car, and I don't know, I just wasn't really impressed. Ooh. Got the cactus. I didn't really care about it, but now that I see it, it's adorable. Look at that. This is a cactus.
Oh, I was wondering what that was.
It's a happy cactus playing a guitar. It's actually, I'm kind of glad we got that. That is cute. All right. Oh, that was 3. All right, so this is my 4th. And we got, oh my gosh, is that right? This is a good day. We got the green hippo.
Oh.
That means we got the variant. Because remember, it's the pink hippo. So, oh my gosh, we got a super rare one. Yay.
I remember touching the bag thinking, that kind of feels like a hippo, so
this is probably Robert. He's actually much luckier than me when it comes to mystery stuff. So I usually let him buy the mystery stuff for me. All right, we got 2 more. So we haven't got the penguin yet. And we still don't, and I'm okay, I don't need the complete set. We got the penguin. I have a complete set. Well, he's cute too. He's cute too.
Yes.
You like him? He's cute too.
All right.
Okay, so we're doing pretty good for having a 4 plush set, and we've opened 5, and I don't have a duplicate yet. That's pretty darn good. You know what I'm saying? I got the complete set plus the variant. Last one. So what duplicate? I would like another clock.
I think it's a clock.
You're saying clock? It's a clock, and I actually am glad that's the duplicate because
I remember feeling 2 clocks. So
the reason I want a duplicate is because they're two-faced, and so when I display them, I can have each face facing out. So, yay! All right, so these are the Disney Wishables, and if you can't make it to the parks, they do sell them online, and I have seen them at the outlet malls. St. Louis has 2 Disney Store outlet malls, so I go to the one closest to me a lot. So if you're lucky to have an outlet store near you, they don't always have them, but occasionally you'll be able to find these at the outlet mall. And they're usually, it's the same price, $9.99. Just because something's at the Disney outlet mall doesn't mean it's a cheaper price. Sometimes it is, sometimes they have really good deals, but a lot of the stuff is the same price if you would have bought it online or at the parks.
actually, they're still available on the Shop Disney app.
The Shop Disney app. So you can get these on the Shop Disney app. So,
Still available.
still available. Cool. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.